I recently just quit coffee, so I switched over to DoMatcha.
Take a look at this picture. Which one do you think is DoMatcha? If you guessed this one, you are correct. DoMatcha is the bright green one because it is harvested and treated with the utmost care, and so it is going to be the most nutritious and delicious matcha on the market.
DoMatcha sources the best certified organic matcha in the world from Japan in Kagoshima and Uji in Kyoto. DoMatcha is available at Natural Grocers, Whole Foods, and a whole lot more across the US and Canada. So what are you waiting for? Go buy some today.